Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. And so now we will tell you all the news about the Cardano cryptocurrency. A pullback or rally. This is where Cardano can go next. Swiss cryptocurrency ADA witnessed a surge of nearly 100% within 7 days in early February 2021. However, post-August, investors' interest seems to have waned a little. Curiously, after February 2022, the coin has been siding with the bulls. In fact, according to a couple of on-chain metrics, there are convincing arguments that Cardano could be a good asset to buy for a bull run as a longer-term investment. However, it's important to note that the short-term outlook for Cardano was bearish. After it failed to breach $1 in the past couple of days, ADA slipped back beneath the $0.9 mark. Furthermore, it could see a further downside as the price searched for demand. Interestingly, in the past 24 hours, the open interest behind Cardano has fallen in the markets, alongside the price itself. This suggested that the short-term bearishness could be a pullback, rather than a strong downward move. As the charts show, the price breached $0.925.95 in late February, and the bulls were encouraged when ADA flipped 95 cents from resistance to support. However, just as Bitcoin itself faced some resistance near $45,200, so too did ADA at $1. Sellers were quite strong above 98 cents, and the price was decisively rejected and subsequently forced back beneath 95 cents and $0.925. The 24 hours that preceded press time saw ADA lose 7.4% and flip $0.925 to resistance. To the south, the $0.81784 area, cyan box, could be revisited in search of demand. The RSI has been trending lower down the chart since the rejection at $1 and stood at 30.98 at the time of writing, which was on the verge of oversold. This by itself does not mean the price will soon see a bounce. Alongside the RSI, the awesome oscillator also showed that bearish momentum has been strengthening in the past couple of days. The OBV has also steadily before conforming to the downtrend. However, the next few candlesticks would confirm whether the history would repeat itself or not. Rationale: the bearish RSI showed an expected revival from its oversold mark. Any close above the 38 mark would likely cause a retest at the 44-point hurdle. A recovery towards the midline seemed conceivable in the days to come, as the bulls endeavored to topple these barriers. The DMI reaffirmed the heightened bearish influence. As the DAI approached its long-term peak, the chances of a recovery in the coming days are high. Conclusion: while a trend reversal still might require exceptional efforts on the part of bulls, a test of its point of control while finding a close above the 20 EMA seemed probable in the medium-long term. Even so, investors should keep a close eye on Bitcoin's movement, as ADA shares a 71% 30-day correlation with the King coin. And seconds news: Elon Musk steps up to save Ukraine's internet, but details are sparse. The tech billionaire activated his Starlink satellite internet service in the country, and said terminals needed to access the service are on the way. Elon Musk, tech billionaire and founder of aerospace manufacturer SpaceX, has agreed to rescue Ukraine's internet after the country's Vice Prime Minister Mikhail Fedorov reached out to him via Twitter. On Friday, Ukrainian Vice Prime Minister and Minister of Digital Transformation Mikhail Fedorov asked Musk to turn his attention away from space exploration for a bit to help his country stay connected to the internet, as the ongoing Russian attacks threatened the nation's internet connectivity. Russia launched a full-scale invasion on Ukraine on Wednesday. Since then, Western countries have come together to impose strict sanctions on Russia. After a move to block Russia from global banking system SWIFT on Saturday, President Vladimir Putin put the country's nuclear force on high alert. According to internet governance watchdog NetBlocks, there were significant disruptions to connectivity in multiple parts of Ukraine as Russia advanced. "We ask you to provide Ukraine with Starlink stations," said Fedorov, referring to SpaceX's satellite internet service. A few hours after Fedorov's tweet, Musk replied saying Starlink is now active in Ukraine, and that he was sending more terminals needed to use the service. However, Musk did not specify how SpaceX was planning to get additional terminals to Ukraine. Locals will not be able to access the Starlink network without these terminals. It's not the first time Musk's company has stepped up to help a country in need. Earlier this year, SpaceX reportedly sent some 50 Starlink terminals to be set up in Tonga, in an effort to restore internet following a volcanic eruption. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04 with a minimum price level $1.74.